So I got something super interesting to talk about today, Victor. It's something I think a lot of our listeners on the Serena English podcast will find really useful.
Oh yeah? Okay, I'm listening. What is it?
It's ordering coffee. I know it sounds simple, but when you're just starting to learn English, going into a coffee shop can feel really intimidating. There are so many words, so many questions.
Oh, that is a great topic. A great topic. I love coffee, and you're so right. It's its own special language, you know? But it's totally easy once you know a few key phrases. Absolutely.
Exactly. So that's what I want to ask you about. Where does a beginner even start? What's the first thing you say when you walk up to the counter?
Okay, so first thing, just be friendly. A simple hello or hi is perfect. Always start with a greeting. Then the most important phrase, the magic phrase is, can I have a please? Or another really good one is, I'd like a please. Both are perfect, you know?
Can I have a, or I'd like a. Okay, so I'd say, hello, can I have a coffee, please? Is that right?
Yes, that's it. That's a perfect start. Now, the next part is knowing what kind of coffee. This is where it gets fun. You have the basics, right? Like an espresso, which is a very small, strong coffee.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Espresso.
Then there's an Americano. That's just espresso with hot water. So it's like a regular black coffee, but it's made with espresso. And then you have the milky coffees. A latte has lots of steamed milk, and a cappuccino has less milk, but lots of foam on top. It's all about the milk and foam. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, so latte is milky, cappuccino is foamy. Got it. But what about the size? That's always a question they ask.
Right, the size, super important. The easiest thing to do is just learn small, medium, and large. Every coffee shop in the world will understand that. So you can say, can I have a small latte, please? Or I'd like a large Americano, please. Easy.
Small, medium, large. Okay, I can remember that. That's much simpler than all those fancy Italian words they sometimes use.
Exactly. Yeah, just ignore those for now. Stick to the basics. So we have the phrase, the coffee type, and the size. Now, what about milk? This is a big one now, a really big one.
Oh, right, because there's not just regular milk anymore.
No way. You have so many options. The most common ones you'll see are oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk. And you just add it to your sentence. It's simple. You'd say, can I have a medium latte with oat milk, please? You just add with and then the milk type.
With oat milk. Okay. Can I have a medium cappuccino with soy milk, please? Wow, that sounds like a real coffee order.
See, you're a natural. And what if you want it sweet? People love sweet coffee.
Yes. How do you ask for that? Do you just say with sugar?
You can, but usually the sugar is separate for you to add yourself. What you can ask for is syrup, like a flavor. This is a game changer. The most common are vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut. So you just put the flavor before the coffee name. Can I have a large vanilla latte, please?
Oh, okay. So you don't say latte with vanilla, you say vanilla latte. That's a good tip.
Yep, exactly. And one more thing, hot or cold. This is really important in the summer. You just put the word iced in front of your coffee name. Can I have an iced latte, please? Or even, can I have an iced vanilla latte with oat milk, please? Look at that sentence.
Wow, that's a very long and specific order. But it's just, one piece at a time. I see how it builds up. So, okay, I've said my big, long order. What questions will the barista ask me? I think that's the scary part.
totally understandable, but they're usually the same questions, you know? The number one question is probably for here or to go. For here means you will drink it in the coffee shop. To go means you will take it with you. You just answer for here, please, or to go, please.
For here or to go. That makes sense. Okay, what else might they ask?
They might ask you anything else for you. This is an offer to sell you more, like a cake or a sandwich. You can say, no, that's all, thank you. Or if you are hungry, yes, can I also have a croissant, please?
No, that's all, thank you. That's a very useful phrase.
It really is. And finally, they will almost always ask, what's your name? They ask this so they can write it on the cup and call your name when your drink is ready. So you just say your name clearly. It's Victor. Then you listen for them to call you.
Okay, this is amazing. I feel like I could, actually do this now. So let's recap the whole thing. A full, complete order.
Let's do it. A full interaction. It would go something like this. You walk up. Hello. The barista says, hi, what can I get for you? You say, can I have a large iced vanilla latte with oat milk, please?
Okay.
They'll say, sure, anything else? You say, no, that's all, thanks. Then, for here or to go? You say, to go, please. Then, and what's your name? It's Serena. Then you pay and you wait for your delicious coffee. Boom, done.
That's brilliant. It's like a script for ordering coffee. The thing is, well, the most important part is just to try, right? Even if you make a mistake.
Absolutely. That's the best advice. Just try. Baristas are almost always very patient and very friendly. They understand. Just speak slowly, smile, and use please and thank you. You'll be totally fine. It's a great way to practice your English in a real situation.
This has been so helpful, Victor. Thank you. I hope everyone listening to the Serena English podcast feels more confident now. So get out there and order a coffee.
My pleasure. Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time.